recording, go. You're on the Grand River, bud. There's a bridge, a huge bridge. Here's Kenny walking across.
Make it to the island, Kenny. It's like the sun's coming out, the ice is starting.
Look, this is the freaking Grand River. Retard. Say it and do the moonwalk. What?
Crack open the ice.
You're on the freaking Grand River and Mr. Shell's coming.
No, he's not. Go on the island and get that blanket.
This isn't safe.
Dude, if all of a sudden he's tall.
Holy shit. He's freaking far out.
This is like awesome. We should like get jackass.
Holy shit, Kenny. Holy shit.
No, it's like getting thin. Look at it, it's getting all white over there with the ice.
Great, Kenny, enough.
Keep going, touch the island. He's telling you to go. He's like waving for you to come.
I'm not going on that shit.
I'm not retarded.
I can't even see him on the phone. Sunlight's getting in it. Oh, you made it! He made it! Get the video of him over there. Done?
No.
He's over there. Somewhere.
Touch the blanket.
Touch the blanket.
Bring the blanket on the ice.
Yeah!
He'd be like the only one on GCI to ever touch that one. Oh, bring it on the ice.
That's a bum's house. So he runs.
Here, he touched the famous.
He's a crazy little shit.
Now it's the ice cracked and Mr. Shellcase is like, Tracy, Kenny, you little fag, what are you doing? We don't want to see another. No, he's running. I just like in a break. He's stupid.
I see him now.
You need ice skates, Kenny.
Oh man, the bug is in the house. Holy shit. Now see, who said you couldn't walk on water? Say it.
Who said you couldn't walk on water?
Oh.